Many children are excited about learning the Bible and learning about God's Word, and we appreciate how many of you are supporting 3ABN. And on this Giving Tuesday, we are inviting you to help us. We appreciate your prayers and how you're sharing in your communities. Many of you have already shared in your communities by supporting $30 to help witness in the Detectives of Truth Bible studies and how they can study the Bible for themselves. But here's the dilemma. Many of them want their own Bible. They don't even have a Bible to study. And this is where we are inviting you to help support $78,000 by the end of this year to get these Bibles in the hands of children. We are talking with a publisher and we need the funds to be able to get these Bibles for these children. I'm talking to kids from the Philippines to Zambia, even here in the United States. Would you please help us? Just support by saying Bibles to 102 Kids Network. We appreciate your help. Thank you.